Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're anything like me and ate a lot of boxed mac and cheese growing up, maybe you miss it and wish you had a little bit healthier option, I want to show you this Banza mac and cheese. What's great about this mac and cheese is that the pasta is made out of chickpeas. So it has 2 times the protein and 2.5 times the fiber, with 30% fewer net carbs than a traditional boxed mac and cheese. And it also tastes amazing, most importantly. So I really love this. It is super easy to prepare, just like any other mac and cheese. You boil up your pasta and it only takes about 8 or 9 minutes, and then you are good to go. With this, it is good to rinse the pasta because it can have a little bit of foamy residue from the chickpeas, but a quick rinse takes care of it, and then you can go ahead and add your butter, milk, and cheese powder, stir it up, and then you are ready to enjoy. And let me tell you, it has the nostalgic flavor of your mac and cheese, and it will definitely hit the spot. So I absolutely love this mac and cheese. It makes me feel like a kid. It's delicious, and that's my point of view.